Nobody is talking about this new AI tool that can speak any language. That is, it can make your AI videos to speak any language of your choice. You can speak your dialect, Igbo, Hausa, any language at all. And also, it is completely free. Watch this.
You see, everything fit no be true, but you see Igbo food, nne rapula food. Okay, food ndị Igbo ọ na-atọwa ntị.
Let me show you this tool and also how to use it to get the best AI video quality. Are you ready? Do not forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bell. Let's go.
To create your perfect AI video with you speaking your dialect or anything, this is the first trick and it is in the image. Go to Gemini right here. This is Gemini. So once you are here, so you can see, you click on this right here and type in what you want. But before then, this is the trick I always use, especially something like a meal when somebody is eating. If you just tell AI to give you onubu soup, if you're an Igbo person, it will not give you the perfect color of that soup. So how do I get it? I'll go to Pinterest. All right, this is Pinterest, right? This is Pinterest. As you can see, I will search the particular soup that I want. This is beautiful. This is the perfect soup, right? So I will take a screenshot. I already have one. If you want more, that is fine. All right, you can just get the best. I mean, your AI should be eating good meal, right? So now I'll bring it in here and now tell AI. I always use this mic, but for this tutorial, let me just type. I always like to use the voice note because it will make me to explain everything in details. Generate a Nigerian Igbo woman enjoying this meal. Oh, I skipped the swallow, right? So I will go back. You have to screenshot these things, right? Let me just add this one. Enjoying this meal in front of her beautiful compound. Then I will send it. With this right now, Gemini will create a very perfect image for me. And I skipped one thing, which is the size of the image. So once it's done, I'll tell it to make it in 16 by 9, right? In 16 by 9, right? This is the perfect YouTube video size, right? As you can see, my onubu and everything is so delicious, beautiful and clean. If you don't like this, you can tell it to make it like this, make her to hold it, make her, feel free to, talk to AI and get the best. Now, you save your image right here, right? It is downloading, and once it's done, you will take it to the next step. It is done, right? Our image has been downloaded into our phone. So the next step is getting our voice. How do we now get the voice that this woman will talk with? Let me show you how. So what do this woman say right now? I want her to use my voice to be speaking. I will say something, then she will speak the same thing. I'll simply go over here and see recorder. This is recorder right here inside my phone. I'll click on it and then I'll click on this and say what I want to say. Okay, I want to say that Igbo food is beautiful, blah blah blah, right? I'll say it, and after saying it, let me assume that I have said it right now. I'll just click on this save. Okay, but let me say something actually so that you see how I do it. Igbo food is the best. If ndị Igbo na-asọ ka sugar, onwere ife ọzọ eji atụnyere ndị Igbo na-abụghị nni mara mma, nni na-atọwa ntị. Okay, so let me save it. I'll click on this save right here. Let me save it with Otonri. Let me just put it this way, right? Then I will save it right now. You see it here, right? This is the one I just saved right now. Let me play it. Food is the best. If ndị Igbo na-asọ ka sugar, onwere ife ọzọ eji atụnyere ndị Igbo na-abụghị nni mara mma, nni na-atọwa ntị. So this is how you record it. Of course, if you make mistakes, you go back until you get the best. Even if you don't want to use your voice, like you just want to use AI, okay, simply go to your browser, search Google AI Studio, Google AI Studio, right? Google AI Studio. Okay, you can use 11 Labs. Just get that audio that you want, all right? Here inside of Google AI Studio, you copy the prompt that you want. Okay, so right here in Google AI Studio, you can paste your prompt right here. If you want to type whatever, put it to Igbo Nigerian woman, all right? I have made a full video on how to use Google AI Studio to get a perfect speech. do that, prompt it and generate. Click on this run right here once you are done. Once it's done, this is it right here, you download it. All right, once you download it into your phone, you can use the next step. So right now we have gotten our image and our voice over, right? The voice we are going to use and also the image. The next step is where this video gets so much interesting. Now let's make the image to talk. Are you ready? Let's go. Okay, so now to get your credit, make sure to log in and also click on check in. All right, so the name of this website I will tell you at the end of this video. All right, so now as you can see right now, I just checked in and they gave me 10 credits. So make sure to log in now to get yours. And now, how do we create our video? I will zoom in. Right here, you can see the Omni blah blah blah, right? Now, I'll click on this head like something right here, which is avatar, okay? And then I will click on this character swap. Make sure to remove it from character swap, okay? Just pay attention and follow this video step by step so you learn and recreate the same thing and get a perfect result. All right, now I'll put it to speech to video, the last option. All right, and now I'll click on character. Here in character, what do you think we'll be adding here? Of course, our character, which is the woman enjoying her beautiful and tasty eba. All right, so I'll click on upload from device and then add the image. I have added the image right now and it is loading, but while waiting for it, I'll click on this audio right here and then upload the audio that I recorded. Remember, right, the step 2 of this video was getting my voice, so I will bring in the audio inside here. All right, now this website can only accept 15 seconds audio, but mine is not even up to that. If your voice exceeds 15 seconds, all you just need to do is to trim it. Okay, you can just trim it this way until it gets to 15 seconds, but for mine there is nothing to trim. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and click on confirm. Right, so now my voice, which is my audio, is being added. Good. So now my image is here and my audio is here. What next? Of course, to create a video which will have my voice and now my preferred image. So right now you do not need to go around looking for how to get your voice to speak or how to speak your dialect in any video. No, use this method to get it for free. All right, so right now, how do you create your video? There's one more thing to also know. Okay, so over here you will see that it will cost you 30 credits. Okay, so all you need to do is to click on this 720p at the top and then put it to 480 instead. Once you put your video to 480, it will reduce and now I can be able to generate my videos. Okay, so right now I will simply click on generate and my video will be generated. Now my video is generating. These are the ones I have created before. If you scroll down, you see more, and this one right now is the one we are creating now. So let's wait for it to generate and let's see how our video looks like. Now let me show you how you can log in into this AI tool that can speak any language of your choice using your own voice. This is beautiful, right? Now let me show you how to log in into this platform. Now the name of the website that we used is called One AI. Once you go to your browser, simply type One AI and then send it. It is purple. All right, click on it right here, the first option. Click on it, wait a little more, and then this is how the interface looks. All right, this is it. You see a whole lot of stuff. Please look here, you have to put it to explore. All right, go by the left, you have to put it to the first option, which is the explore, right? And then scroll right, look at the top right, you will see login. All right, you have to log in, and once you are in, they will give you 10 credits to test the tool. Even if you're not creating, you don't want to create right now, make sure to log in every day. If you log in every day, you'll be getting 10 credits, and when you are finally ready to start creating, you have enough credit to create your videos. All right, so this is how to get your free credits inside of One AI to use your voice to create a perfect AI video right now for free. All right, so that is it. You see, everything feel no be true, but you see Igbo food, ne rapulai food, okay, food ndi Igbo, ọ na-atọ ntị like ekwusikwana ya ike. Nibo bụ the best.
Now you know exactly how to use this beautiful AI tool to create your videos. Start creating and do not forget to thank me in the comment section, and also subscribe to Success Amarachi on YouTube because you will not like to miss any of my upcoming videos. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.